Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. This month, GM held its official opening for Factory Zero, which will build all-electric vehicles at what was once called the Detroit Hamtramck Assembly plant. I spoke with Assistant Plant Director Cathy Staelgraeve.
The people here at this plant that thought that their plant was going to close, they had to go to other GM sites to just work temporarily, and now we were able to call them back. Many of those people are legacy GM employees, so their parents or grandparents also worked for General Motors. Myself, my dad and my grandfather both worked for General Motors. This is taking what we're used to and making it so much better with doing things that we knew we should have done all the time. We know we should have a world with zero crashes if we can help support that, a world with zero emissions and a world with zero congestion.
Happy Thanksgiving. You can find us at Textination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.